Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I absolutely love these coffee spoons from Lubsmuns.
In my opinion, a good cup of coffee really starts with a good coffee scoop. You need to have those precise measurements going in to your coffee pot in order to get exactly the flavor that you're looking for. And these coffee spoons are so beautiful and versatile. I really, really love them. You get a 1 tablespoon or a 2 tablespoon. They're in this beautiful brushed gold. And I love the size of these that they can fit snugly either in my holders that have my espresso or my ground coffee, or I can have them out on my counter because they are so pretty. But most importantly, they give me the perfect scoop every time.
So add a little bit of elegance to your daily coffee routine and get these coffee scoops. They are so pretty and you'll love having them out on your countertop. I know I do, and that's my point of view.